Did you know that some of the most powerful medicines aren't found in pharmacies, but right in your kitchen? Big Pharma doesn't want you to know this, but nature has provided us with incredible remedies, simple, natural ingredients that can heal your body without the dangerous side effects of prescription drugs. Imagine this: you're sipping a warm, golden tea that soothes inflammation, or adding a single ingredient to your meals that strengthens your immune system. These aren't just old wives' tales, they're scientifically backed remedies that have been quietly changing lives for generations. Today, we're uncovering 5 powerful natural cures that have stood the test of time. Get ready, because what you're about to learn could change the way you think about health forever. Section 1, Turmeric, the Golden Healer. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine a golden yellow spice swirling into a warm, comforting cup of tea. That vibrant hue isn't just beautiful, it's powerful. Meet turmeric, the golden healer revered for centuries in Ayurveda and traditional medicine. Think of curcumin, turmeric's active compound, as a little firefighter running through your body, extinguishing the flames of inflammation. Stories abound of people with arthritis who, after years of stiff joints and constant pain, found new hope with turmeric. Take Maya, for instance, a 45-year-old teacher who could barely make it up the stairs due to her aching knees. After incorporating turmeric into her meals and taking supplements, she now dances at weddings like she's 25 again. So sprinkle it on your roasted veggies, blend it into your smoothies, or sip on turmeric tea. It's a simple step with profound benefits. Section 2, CBD Oil, nature's calming elixir. Now, let's move to a remedy that's been making waves in the wellness world: CBD oil. Picture a restless mind finally finding calm, or an aching back soothed after years of discomfort. Derived from the cannabis plant, CBD oil isn't about getting high, it's about finding balance. Emma, a young entrepreneur, used to be plagued by sleepless nights filled with anxiety. Traditional medications left her groggy and unproductive. But with a few drops of CBD oil each evening, she now wakes up refreshed, ready to conquer the day. And it doesn't stop there. Athletes swear by it for muscle recovery, while others use it to manage chronic pain. Just make sure to choose a reputable brand. Your journey to wellness deserves nothing but the best. Section 3, Apple Cider Vinegar, the tangy elixir of health. Next, imagine a humble glass of water infused with the tangy kick of apple cider vinegar. It might not sound glamorous, but this age-old remedy is a powerhouse in disguise. Think back to your grandmother's kitchen. She probably used apple cider vinegar for everything, from cleaning wounds to making salad dressings. That's because its antimicrobial properties work like tiny soldiers, fighting harmful bacteria in your gut and promoting a healthy digestive system. Meet Sam, a college student who struggled with bloating and unpredictable digestion. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar mixed with honey and water before meals transformed his life. "I finally feel comfortable in my skin," he says. So why not give it a try? It's a small step with big rewards. Section 4, Garlic, the immune warrior. Let's dive into the kitchen's most unassuming hero, garlic. Picture those small, white cloves that pack a punch of flavor, and a world of healing. Garlic has been used as medicine since the time of ancient Egypt. Picture an old farmer warding off colds during harsh winters with a warm bowl of garlic soup. That's not just folklore, modern studies back it up. Take Anna, a nurse exposed to colds and flu every day. After adding garlic to her daily diet, she noticed fewer sick days and more energy to keep up with her demanding job. Rich in sulfur compounds, garlic doesn't just fight infections, it also lowers cholesterol and boosts your immune system. Chop it, roast it, or add it to your favorite dishes. This pungent bulb is a gift from nature. Section 5, Ginger, the spicy root of vitality. Finally, imagine a steaming cup of ginger tea on a chilly morning. The aroma alone is enough to comfort your soul. But ginger's real magic lies beneath the surface. Packed with antioxidants, ginger has been hailed as a cure-all for centuries. Whether it's soothing an upset stomach or reducing chronic inflammation, this root works wonders. Let me tell you about Maria, a marathon runner who once struggled with severe joint pain. Instead of relying on over-the-counter painkillers, she turned to ginger tea and fresh ginger in her meals. It was like a second wind, she says. "I feel unstoppable again." From stir-fries to smoothies, ginger is a must-have in every home. Take the first step toward natural healing, and there you have it, 5 natural remedies that have stood the test of time. They've helped people like Maya, Emma, Sam, Anna, and Maria transform their health, and they can help you too. The best part? These remedies don't come with the long list of side effects that so many prescription drugs have. they're simple, accessible, and effective. So, take control of your health. Whether you're sipping on ginger tea, adding turmeric to your curry, or drizzling apple cider vinegar over your salad, these small changes can make a big difference. If you found this video inspiring, hit that subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy, stay empowered, and remember that the power to heal is already in your hands.